Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics, and we are given product rule here to solve. This is differentiation. It reads, we have to differentiate dy upon dx when f of x is equals x squared plus 1 into x plus 1. This is very, very simple to differentiate. Now, the first step, we have three approaches that if you are going to use them, you're going to have the same answer also. Now, let's try to look at the first approach for us to find our dy upon dx. Let's say this is our first approach. We say solution. Now, for the fact that we are given x squared plus 1 into x plus 1. This is what we are given, and we have to differentiate dy upon dx. Now, to do this one, if you want, let's use the first method. That is, let's just try to expand the bracket first, after which we differentiate now. We know in expanding bracket, we use this first bracket to multiply the second bracket, and each of these terms in the first bracket, we are going to use them to multiply the second bracket. That is, we say x squared multiplying the second bracket, that is x plus 1. What remains in the first bracket, it is plus 1. We say plus 1 also multiplying the second bracket, that is x plus 1. Right? Now, what are we to do next? We don't want to see these two brackets anymore. And if you don't want to see them, what are we to do here? We use this x squared to multiply this bracket and this plus 1 also to multiply this bracket. Then we say x squared times x, this one becomes x cubed plus x squared times 1, it is x squared plus 1 times x, we know it is x, plus times plus giving you plus, 1 times 1, it is 1. Now, for the fact that this is polynomial equation that we are given, now if you want to differentiate now, we say finally, now let's differentiate now. We say dy upon dx then becomes, for the fact that we are given x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1. Let's differentiate this equation. It's very, very simple now for us to differentiate. Now, differentiating this one becomes 3x squared. We are going to subtract. That is what we mean by differentiation. We are going to reduce this power by 1. Reducing 1 from this power, you are going to have 2 plus this one becomes 2x squared. For the fact that this is square, we reduce 1 from this becomes 1 plus, and this is having a power of 1, subtracting 1 from 1, giving you 0. And we know if x raised to the power 0, it is 1. Automatically, this is constant, and we know differentiating a constant, it is 0. Then our final answer for dy upon dx becomes 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is what we are asked to differentiate with respect to this problem that we are given. This is the first approach. Let's look at the second approach for us to arrive at the same answer. Now, let's say this is our second approach. Let's look at it here, second approach. Then, since we are given x squared plus 1 into x plus 1. Now, from this, if you want, we use product rule to differentiate. That is, we say this is our u and this is our v. Meaning, first, let's just try to find du upon dx. Finding du upon dx, we differentiate x squared plus 1. Differentiating this one, automatically, you are going to have 2x. Okay? Then, similarly, let's just try to find also dv upon dx. We say similarly, finding dv upon dx, this one becomes, since we are given x plus 1, differentiating x plus 1, this one becomes just 1. Let's just recall that. We say recall that, meaning let's just try to state the formula first. We say dy upon dx is equals u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. So this is the formula to differentiate product rule. After which, we just need to apply substitution in formula. We replace all these letters with their corresponding values that we have now. What is v? U. U is giving us x squared plus 1 into, what is dv upon dx? We know we have dv upon dx already as 1. We write 1 plus, what is v? V is giving us x plus 1. We say x plus 1. Then what is du upon dx? Du upon dx, we already arrived at that as 2x. After which, we use this one to multiply this bracket and this 2x to multiply this other bracket. Then using this one to multiply this bracket, you are going to have x squared plus 1 plus 2x squared times x, this one becomes 2x squared plus 2x times 1 giving you 2x. Then after which we add the like terms. You know, x squared and 2x squared, they are like terms. We add them. Then adding them becomes 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Therefore, our dy upon dx becomes 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 as required. So now you can see the two methods, you are going to arrive at the same answer. This is 3x squared plus 2x plus 1, and this is also 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 respectively. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share for others to benefit. Okay.